Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. So we are uploading the video of math of grade 10 today in our video. So we are doing the video of introduction to trigonometry. Are you still having problem with the trigonometry question? So don't worry, we are here to solve your problem. So we are dealing with the questions of trigonometry, some important questions asked in the past year. So without any further delay, let's start our today video. So the first question goes like this. Question number 1. The first question is if x is equal to a sin theta and y is equal to b tan theta, then we are asked to prove that a square by x square minus b square by y square equal to 1. Okay, now let us see how can we solve this problem. Okay, so solution: x is equal to a sin theta and y is equal to b tan theta. Okay, this is given. Now we are asked to prove a square by x square minus b square by y square equal to 1. Okay, so this part we call at left hand side or LHS, and this part we call at RHS or right hand side. So let us take LHS or left hand side. So we write here a square by x square minus b square by y square. Now again, a square by x means how much? A sin theta. So this is a sin theta raised to the power 2. So is power 2. So we write here power 2. Similarly, minus b square by y means how much? B tan theta. Okay. So this is also raised to the power 2. Now let us solve this. A square by a whole square, a square, sin theta whole square, sin square theta, minus b square by b is raised to the power 2. Then we can write b square. And similarly tan theta is also raised to the power 2, so we can write here tan square theta. Okay, from here a square and a square is cancelled, so this upper one numerator is 1, denominator is sin square theta. Similarly here in the second part, this and b square is also cancelled, so upper one is 1 and downward is tan square theta. Okay, so now we know the formula 1 by sin square theta. This formula is of both which cosec square theta minus 1 by tan square theta. Which formula this? This is of cot square theta. Now we know the relation cosec square theta minus cot square theta is what? 1. So this is equal to RHS. This, in this way we can prove this question. Okay, if you have any question, doubt, you can comment on the comment section. Okay, now let us move to next question. Question number 2. Question number 2. Okay, if tan theta plus sin theta is equal to m and tan theta minus sin theta equal to n, so that m square minus n square equal to 4 root mn. Okay, now let us see how can we solve this. Solution. Okay, so here is given tan theta plus sin theta equal to m, and similarly tan theta minus sin theta equal to what? N. Okay, so this question is asked on 2000. This is also past question. This is asked in 2010, 2011, 2013, 2015, 2016. Of how many marks? 4 marks. Okay, so I have left this. Okay, so this is also past question. This question is also asked on this was 2012, 2013, 2016. Sorry, 2015. 15 and 2016. This is also of 4 marks. Okay. Okay. Now let us move to our solution. Okay. So here is given that tan theta plus sin theta equal to m and tan theta minus sin theta equal to n. So we are asked to prove that. We are asked to prove what? m square minus n square is equal to 4 root mn. So this part is called the left hand side or LHS. This part is called what? Right hand side or RHS. Okay, so let us take the LHS or left hand side. LHS equal to m square minus m square. So here m means how much? Tan theta plus sin theta. So we put the value m as tan theta plus sin theta. This is also raised to the power 2. Minus similarly n means tan theta minus sin theta. This is also raised to the power 2. Okay, now we can use your formula. Okay, we can use here formula a plus b whole square, here a minus b whole square. So a plus b whole square formula is what? A square plus 2ab plus b square, and similarly a minus b whole square formula is a square minus 2ab plus b square. In this way you can solve this. Okay, so let us see how can we do this. Tan square theta plus 2 tan theta into sin theta plus sin square theta and minus, then again formula tan square theta minus 2 tan theta into sin theta plus sin square theta. Okay, so here we have used the formula of a plus b whole square and a minus b whole square. So you know formula this, yes. If you don't know, then look at here once. A plus b whole square means how much? A square plus 2ab plus b square. And similarly, we know the formula of a minus b whole square, which is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay, so we use this formula, this both. Now here we solve it. Okay, now let us see what can we do now. Okay, so here tan square theta plus, we write as it is 2 tan theta into sin theta plus sin square theta. Now bring this outside the bracket and minus into plus, minus tan square theta, minus into minus is plus 2 tan theta into sin theta, and similarly minus into plus means minus sin square theta. Okay, now let us see here. This tan square theta and this tan square theta will be cancelled because there is this is same, and one is plus, one is minus, so this will be 0, so we can cancel it. Similarly, this sin square theta and this sin square theta will be also cancelled. Now here remaining tan theta sin theta, tan theta sin theta, this is same, and 2 plus 2 is how much? 4. So 4 tan theta into sin theta. So we are asked here prove what? 4 root mn. We have already obtained the 4. Now we have to obtain mn. So how can we do this? We can write this as 4 root tan square theta into sin square theta. This is same thing because a square and root will be cancelled. This is same thing. Tan theta we can write root tan square theta. Similarly, sin theta we can write tan sin square theta. Now again 4 is as it is tan square theta. Okay, we know the formula sin square theta is, we can write tan square theta as what? 1 minus cos square theta. Why? Because we know the formula this. I think you know this formula. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to what? We know the relation of this. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. From here we can write sin square theta is equal to what? 1 minus cos square theta. Because this plus move to that side and what happened? Minus. So 1 minus cos square theta. So we write here sin square theta as what? 1 minus cos square theta. Okay, now let us multiply this. So this will be what? 4 root under tan square theta into 1 means tan square theta, plus into minus minus, and multiply tan square theta into cos square theta. Okay, now again 4 root tan square theta minus tan square theta means what? Sin square theta by cos square theta. Tan square theta minus tan square theta means sin square theta by cos square theta into cos square theta. Then this cos square theta and this cos square theta will be cancelled because there is multiplication. Now what is left here now? 4 root tan square theta minus sin square theta. Okay, so now this is in the form of what? A square minus b square. This is the form of formula a square minus b square. So we know the formula of a square minus b square. They are equal to a plus b and a minus b. Here is tan square theta minus sin square theta. Okay, so we can write this as tan theta whole square minus this as sin theta whole square. This is exactly as this. So a square minus b square. So the formula is a plus b minus b. So here a means what? Tan theta plus b means sin theta. Similarly here a minus b, a means tan theta minus b means sin theta. So this is a plus b, a minus b. So we use the formula a square minus b square, that is equal to a plus b and a minus b. So we write here for a square minus b means a plus b minus b. So we write here tan theta plus sin theta and tan theta minus sin theta. Okay, so this 4 is 4. Tan theta plus sin theta means what? Tan is given in the question. Look at here once. Tan theta plus sin theta is m and tan theta minus sin theta is what? N. So we write here tan theta plus sin theta means m and this is n. So this is here root. So this we are asked to prove here. Look at it once. 4 root and then this we are asked to prove. So in this way we can prove it. So this is equal to RHS proof. So if you have any problem in this question, please let us know in the comment section. So I don't think there should be any problem. If any problem arises, then you are free to comment in the comment section. Thank you for watching our video. Stay tuned to our channel for more upcoming videos. Thank you.